Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how I do my brows. So I'm basically going to be doing this voiceover style, but I get a lot of requests on how I do my brows. I definitely do them differently than how when I first started YouTube. So I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a breakdown so you could really see how I do my brows, how I get this like filled in, very sharp, fierce kind of brow that I love. I hope that you guys do enjoy this video. Definitely different than what I normally do. But before we actually jump into that portion of the video, I just want to ask you guys, if you do like what you see throughout the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, and then also please consider subscribing if you haven't already, so you could be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit that post notification bell so you can get notified of all my future uploads. And without further ado, let me show you guys how I do my brows. Now, also, I did get this little tip from Juicy Jas. So she is a YouTuber, one of my favorite, and I tried this technique that she did and I am obsessed. So I wanted to pass this along to you, but give some credit to her. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Hello everyone. So first things first, I'm going to take a brow pencil. I'm loving the Color Pop brow pencil. So pigmented, super affordable. I'm just taking the spoolie and I'm running that through my brows. Then I'm taking the pencil itself and I am outlining my brows. I like to do the tops of my brows first, then I move on to the bottom of my brows. I find it so much easier to get a similar shape when I do that. Then I move on to the bottom of my brows. So I do top, bottom, bottom, and I'm just following along with my natural brow shape. Then I go ahead and I do the front of my brows, and I just go in little light upward motion strokes just to give the appearance of fuller eyebrows right in that area. Then I take the spoolie again and I just run that through my brow. I'm going in basically the shape that my brows lay. Then I'm taking my favorite brow pomade. This is a Maybelline Tattoo Studio. Super pigmented, super affordable. I'm taking a brow brush, one that has a spoolie at the other end to make it a little bit easier. Just taking a little bit of this. You do not need a lot of it because it is so pigmented. Again, you literally just need to dab in there to get a lot of pigment. I'm not doing the front of my brows just yet. I like to leave that for last. So I'm filling in my brows. It looks a little bit harsh, but I promise it's going to look so much better and not as harsh as it does right now. So I like to focus on the arches. I like having a nice pronounced arch. Then when I do the front of my brow, I take the pomade and I put some on the back of my hand just to take off some of that. Then I go ahead and do upward motion strokes. Then I take the spoolie and run that through my brows again. Then we have a flat concealer brush and a pot concealer. You don't have to use a pot concealer. You can use a stick foundation or just a regular concealer. Taking that flat brush and I'm just carving out my brows. So basically I am just outlining the perimeter of my brows and just cleaning them up. This concealer is so creamy. It is definitely one of my favorites for doing this. So I do this on the top and bottom of each brow, and then I do it right in the front of the brow as well. Then I'm taking my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush and I am just blending this out. It is so creamy, very, very easy to blend out. I love that concealer and the brush, definitely some of my favorites. Then I take the pencil again and I just fill in my brows in any areas that need a little bit more color. At this point, I can also clean up my brows a little bit more. So if one arch is a little bit higher, this is where I go back and fix it a little bit. I'm just going in very, very lightly. Then I'm going in with a brow gel. This one right here is a L'Oreal one. I love it. I have a few brow gels that I love. This is definitely one of them. I love the brush on it. So I just run that through my brows. I don't do the front of my brows just yet. That's when I go ahead and I do the front of my brows just to get a little bit less color right there. But this is what my brows look like. I love how fierce and how pronounced they look. Cleaning them up and doing this way just makes such a difference, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for a new way to do your brows. Okay guys, so I hope that you guys did enjoy this little voiceover tutorial. If you guys did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, and then also please don't forget to subscribe before you go if you did like what you saw, so you could be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and if you hit the post notification bell, you can get notified of all my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 p.m. EST. One quick little reminder that I wanted to let you guys know. Brows are sisters and not twins. They don't have to look identical all the time, as long as they kind of have that same shape, you know what I'm saying? But I hope that you guys do enjoy, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! Oh, and then also do let me know if you guys like this sort of lay over video type style for doing little tutorials like that. If you guys do, please leave me a comment down below, and I will definitely do more of these videos for you guys. Just let me know what you guys want a mini tutorial on, and I'll do it. But that's it now, guys. Bye!